Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Forklift Tech Tutorials. Today we discuss about how does a forklift works. Let's start the video. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel to get more videos on forklift works. Forklift having three main systems. First is the travel system. Second is the material handling of hydraulic system. Third is the steering system. Travel system. Forklift drive or travel system components convert mechanical energy produced by the power plant to drive motion. The components gear the revolutions per minute to a rate that, when delivered to the wheels, provides smooth, efficient rotation. An overview of travel system component. Power plant. Power plant is the source of power or power bank in a forklift truck. As per truck uses or design like engine or battery. Torque converter. In engine-powered trucks, a device that transmits mechanical energy from the engine to the transmission. The engine-driven impeller and stator drive hydraulic fluids into the turbine. The turbine begins to rotate at a ratio that multiplies engine power to drive the transmission parts. The converter is basically a clutch that uses fluid to transfer mechanical energy to the transmission gradually and without shock. The assembly allows the engine to run without the truck moving. In battery-powered trucks, motor directly connected to differential or wheel hub. Forklift transmission. A transmission is a set of gears, including a change gear and a drive shaft, by which power is transmitted from the engine to the wheels. Transmission used only in engine-powered trucks. Transmission having following parts. Gear-driven charging pump. This pump provides a continuous flow of cooled, filtered oil to the key transmission components. Clutch packs. A series of enclosed plates that are driven by the turbine shaft. These plates use hydraulic compression to engage specific transmission gears, enabling the truck to use more than one gear. This allows the transmission to convert engine power to smooth forward or reverse motion. Hinging system. This system allows the operator to slightly disengage the transmission using the hinging pedal to control travel speed without affected hydraulic system speed. Forklift drive axle. The drive axle is the mechanism that accepts IC transmission or electric drive motor RPMS and gears it to rotate the wheels. The drive axle acts as part of the frame and the upright. The drive axle also serves as the main cross member of the frame by attaching to the open end and securing the frame sides. Some uprights are mounted on the drive axle, which because of its massive, hardened metal casing can handle the full weight of loads. Forklift differential. An assembly that is found in the drive axles of both electric and IC forklifts is the differential. The differential is a cluster of gears designed and assembled so that it allows one wheel to rotate faster than the other. This is necessary because when turning, the inside wheels do not have to travel as far as the outside wheels. The outer wheels must turn faster to keep up during the turn. If both wheels were on a one-piece axle, the outer wheels would begin slipping as they try to keep up. Slipping is a loss of traction and would cause the truck to skid to the outside of the curve. The differential gears each wheel separately. It drives the inside and outside wheels at different speeds and maintains positive traction to both. Forklift brakes. Parking brake. This brake is operator controlled and locks the drive wheels by not allowing the other transmission components to rotate. Service brake. There are several braking systems available on forklifts. Most brake systems are actuated by hydraulic pressure supplied by a master brake cylinder located at the brake pedal. Some trucks have a vacuum or hydraulic power assist system that reduces pedal effort. Air brakes are common on large trucks. Wet brakes. Discs similar to transmission clutches are located inside the drive axle and are lubricated and cooled by the transmission fluid. The advantage is they seldom require replacement. Disc brakes. Disc brakes consist of a rotor, caliper, and friction pads. This type of brake is common on the front axle of most automobiles. Drum and shoe brakes. This brake consists of a drum, shoes, and wheel cylinders. It is common to the rear brakes of most automobiles. Forklift tires. Forklift tires are included as drive components and may be classified into 4 basic groups. Pneumatic tire, cushion solid tire, pneumatic solid tire, poly tire. The hydraulic system uses a series of pump, control valve, parts of the hydraulic system. Fluid tank. Fluid tank is used to store the hydraulic fluid required in hydraulic system. Pump. When activated, it pushes fluid through a tube leading to fluid control valve to operate required hydraulic operation. Fluid control valve. Operator use the levers connected with control valve to lift or lower the forklift's load. Hydraulic cylinders. These are composed of a hollow tube that is shut on one end to trap fluids. A movable, lubricated piston is equipped on the other end. How the hydraulic system works. When we started the engine or motor, hydraulic fluid also start to circulate it in system. When we operate a control valve lever, hydraulic fluid enters the hydraulic cylinder through control valve that allows it to enter without it escaping. Pressure increases as fluids increases in the cylinder. Upward force is created when pressure is applied across the area of the piston head. The piston moves up as a result of the force below it. This increases fluid and decreases pressure. Hydraulic pistons push the masts up. Gears located on the mast are pressed against the roller chains. The masts move up and pulls the fork up. Steering system. Steering system used to control the direction of a forklift truck. Steering system parts. Operator steering wheel. Hydrostatic steering unit. Steering cylinder. How steering system works. Hydraulic power steering systems work by using a pressurized hydraulic fluid to multiply force applied to the steering wheel inputs to the vehicle's steered wheels. The hydraulic pressure comes from a pump driven by the vehicle's engine or motor. A double-acting hydraulic cylinder applies a force to the steering wheel, which in turn steers the road wheels. The steering wheel operates valves to control flow to the cylinder. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.